Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with VitalityLife Insurance Review My Usage Experience. VitalityLife Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers a comparison service for life insurance policies from various providers. It's designed for individuals looking to find the best life insurance plan to suit their needs and budget. Key features likely include policy comparison tools, information on different plan types, and potentially access to agents or brokers. Their website provides details on their specific offerings. Their website emphasizes ease of use and price transparency. They claim to offer a comprehensive comparison without hidden fees, allowing users to quickly see which policies best fit their criteria. They appear to leverage a robust database of insurance policies to provide a wide range of options. Availability is seemingly nationwide, although specifics can be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using VitalityLife Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly simple. I just entered my basic details, age, health status, desired coverage amount, and the site quickly generated a list of potential plans. The interface was intuitive and easy to navigate. I really appreciated the ability to filter results based on price, coverage type, and other relevant factors. I could easily compare premiums, death benefits, and policy features side by side. The whole process was remarkably efficient. I found the results to be thorough and accurate, giving me a good overview of my options. I did have a quick question about the underwriting process for a specific plan, and their support responded within 2 days via email. They were helpful and explained it clearly. I was really impressed by how visually clear the comparison charts were. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download my comparisons as a PDF for easy reference. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Using it on my phone was a little clunky. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with VitalityLife Insurance Review My Usage Experience. It significantly simplified the often overwhelming process of researching life insurance options. That's my overview of VitalityLife Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.